Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Book of Science. Today I am teaching about 8th class biology 6th chapter, the circulatory system. In this class we learn blood circulation. Blood circulation. The deoxygenated blood from different parts of the body is received in the right auricle. This is the superior vena cava. This is inferior vena cava. The upper side parts, this is the lower side parts, deoxygenated blood collected through this vena cava, and the deoxygenated blood carries to the right auricle. This is the right auricle. So blue color indicates blue color, deoxygenated blood. So this is the right auricle. This is left auricle. Simultaneously, the oxygen rich blood means the oxygenated blood from the lungs, it receives in the left auricle. So same time the deoxygenated blood and oxygenated blood fill in the auricles. Deoxygenated blood filled in the right auricle, oxygenated blood filled in the left auricle. So this is first step. Next, second one. The right auricle contracts means the right auricle is filled. When it contracts, what will happen? The blood flows to right ventricle. So the right auricle contracts and pumps deoxygenated blood into the right ventricle. Okay, same simultaneously the left auricle contracts and pours oxygenated blood into the left ventricle. So same, the deoxygenated blood enters into the right ventricle, oxygenated blood enters into the left ventricle. So next one, here the atrioventricular valves close with a sound when the ventricles are full, end of an auricular contraction. So auricular contraction result, what happens when the ventricles are filled, these valves are closed. What is the uses of these valves? The blood doesn't carry back to the auricle. So the prevention of the black flow of the blood to the auricle. So these valves are very useful to the control of the backflow of the blood from ventricles to auricles. Same, two types are same. So these two valves are, this is tricuspid valve, this is bicuspid valve. So these are closed. So whenever the ventricles are filled. At the same time, the semilunar valves open. So the auricles valves are closed, ventricles are filled. What happens when these semilunar valves are open? Next one, this. The right ventricle begins to contract. The deoxygenated blood is pushed into the pulmonary artery, which transports this oxygenated blood to the lungs for oxygenation. So here this is the right ventricle, it contracts. What will happen? It doesn't flow back to the right auricle. Why? Because the valves are closed. So here these semilunar valves are open. So that's why the deoxygenated blood is moved to this pulmonary artery to the lungs. What is the function of the lungs? It is purify the blood. So for the purification it goes to the lungs. Same time, what will happen in the left ventricle contracts and oxygenated blood is pumped into the aorta with the great pleasure, because the blood has to reach all body parts. This is very important. Aorta is the largest artery, and the blood also moves with the great pressure, because the blood has to move all body parts, reach the all body parts. So this is the diagram. The semilunar valves close with a sound when the blood in the ventricles has been pushed into the arteries. End of the ventricular contraction. So this is the overall the circulation of the blood. Next, it should be remembered that when the heart chambers relax, they are filled with blood. Heart chambers are relaxed, it will fill with blood. If they contract, blood is pushed out of them. So both auricles relax and contracts together. Same as both ventricles also relax and contract together. So the contraction of the auricles is quickly followed by the contraction of the ventricles. This goes on in a rhythmic manner about 72 times per minute. The right half of the heart, the right auricle and the right ventricle receives deoxygenated blood, while the left half, the left auricle and the left ventricle receives oxygenated blood. The blood on the right side of the heart never mixes with that on the left side. So this is the overall the blood circulation system in our body. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe to my channel.